is the serial number, and the battery, and the remote. Let's see here. We're going to turn on the remote, the battery in. Alright. So, does the compass need calibrated? Let's look and see. Alright, let's see if it needs calibrated, and if not, we're going to format the SD card. Let go vision. And check the IMU, so let's format that memory card now. Alright, good to go. Now, just to be in order, let's check that IMU.
Opti.
Alright, so
IMU normal.
let's see here. Let's see. Demonstrate the gimbal pitch movement and rotation by moving it up and down, left and right. Simply tilt up and down. So let's see here. So we're gonna. Okay. Left and right, up and down. Okay, let's see here. We're going to demonstrate the gimbal pitch movement by rotation by moving it up and down, left and right. Let's see here. Use the combination stick command to power on the motors.
Let me do that out here. I don't want to do it over there.
Also, let's make sure we check the blades just to make sure everything's good on those each time. Alright, once we do that, we're going to use the combination stick command to power on the motors. So let's see, let's power on the motors. Alright, good deal. Hover the aircraft in place at an altitude of around 1.2 meters and a distance of 6 meters.
Alright, let me change it back to Imperial.
Let's see, wait, skip this step if using a Phantom 4 series product. Alright, we're going to skip that step and move to the Inspire up, move the Inspire up, down, forward, back, left, right, and do the clockwise and counterclockwise.
Up,
Up,
down,
and down,
left,
left,
right.
right. Alright, keep it right there for just a second. Let me read. Use the remote controller to record several seconds of video and use the playback button to check the
I
recording.
need to spin right. Rotate.
Okay, do a rotate? Okay. Alright, good deal.
Okay.
Now use the remote controller and we're going to make a recording. So record if you don't mind. Record several seconds and then we want to do a playback on it.
Alright, so it's recording.
So you are recording?
I am recording.
Several seconds, just kind of fly it and then we want to do a playback on it. Okay, that should be good. That's a couple seconds, so there we go. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and stop that and do a playback on it. Hit that play button right there. Let's see what we got. Alright, here's our playback. Our date and time looks to be wrong, but that's okay. We'll get that set. And here's the playback.
Okay.
Our drone is hovering at this time. Let's see here. Hover the aircraft at a high altitude Around, say, example, 20 meters. So
Okay.
let's see what we show on here. Let's hover it. All right, so we're around there. We're at 21.
22.
So we're at 22 now. Okay, let's do a carry out a distance and altitude test, making sure to show the Go app clearly in your shot. In an open space, distance and altitude should reach at least 200 meters and 120 meters.
Okay. So 120 meter height.
Let's see here. It says in open space, distance and altitude should reach at least around 200 meters and 120 meters, respectively.
Okay. That means both of them. So
Right.
record the app. All right, we're at 100 and
maximum flight altitude reached.
120 meters
Yeah.
on height.
So take it out.
And
So
there's
we're looking at 180, 190. We're looking at right at 200.
200.
215. Okay, so here we come back. Test the aircraft landing gear by lowering it until the landing gear lowers automatically. Skip this step if using a Phantom 4. So we don't have to do the landing gear test. Land the aircraft, power off the aircraft battery, and turn off remote control and stop our recording. So let's bring it back, land it, and stop the recording. Looks like it's coming back here.
Keep recording this.
Yeah, I'll record that in just a second. Let's see, here it comes back. As it flies back in, we will show the screen again. And we're going to land the aircraft, power off the aircraft battery, and then turn off the remote controller.
Okay.
So we're going to land it, power off the battery on the aircraft. All right, go ahead and power off that battery and then power off the remote control.
Power off the aircraft.
Okay, thank you. Now go power off the remote control so we can shut off. All right, thank you.